Listen closely. Hear that? Exactly. Almost nothing. That's the sound of the future on wheels. Electric cars are changing how we move, but what's really going on under the hood? In a regular car, tiny explosions inside the engine burn fuel to make power. An electric car? It skips the fire and runs on pure electricity. No smoke, no gears, no gas, just silent motion. It all starts here. The battery pack. Think of it as a giant version of the battery in your phone. Thousands of small cells store energy as electricity, waiting to be released. When you plug in your car, electricity flows from the grid into that battery. Inside, chemical reactions trap those electrons like tiny workers ready for action. Now the fun part. When you press the accelerator, the car sends those electrons to an inverter, a translator that turns the battery's DC power into AC power for the motor. AC means alternating current, the same type that powers your home. The electric motor is pure physics magic. Inside are coils of wire and strong magnets. When electric current flows, magnetic forces spin the rotor, turning electricity into motion. That spinning motor connects straight to the wheels. No gear shifting, no exhaust pipes puffing, just smooth acceleration that feels instant. It's why electric cars go from 0 to 100 faster than many race cars. And when you slow down, the motor switches rolls. It becomes a generator, feeding energy back into the battery. That's called regenerative braking, recycling motion into power instead of wasting it as heat. But remember, the electricity has to come from somewhere. If it's from renewable sources like sun and wind, your ride is nearly pollution-free. That's how electric cars help clean the air and fight climate change. Charging networks are growing, batteries are lasting longer, and someday your driveway might power your home too. Electric cars aren't just vehicles, they're moving power stations. So the next time you see a car that hums instead of roars, remember, every quiet spin of its wheels is a mix of physics, chemistry, and genius engineering. Now you know how electric cars work, from battery to motion and explained like you're 5. Subscribe for more answers to life's biggest mysteries.